Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to discuss about how to create a Maven project. So many of them have asked me how to create a Maven project and how to add the dependencies in our project and what is the structure of Maven project. So that I'm going to explain this project in this video, guys. So first of all, we know that how to create a normal Java project, right? So first go to the files. Here we have an option called as new. So go to the new, and here you can see two options. One is Java project, another one is project. So you just go for project. You don't take for Java project. You just go with project. So see guys, here it will show you the one new window. So here you are having some options. See, general, Gradle, Java, Maven, plugin development, like this. We are having some options, right? So you just expand this Maven. Just expand this Maven. It will show you some more three options, like check out Maven projects for SEM, Maven module, and Maven project. So we need Maven project, right? Just click on this Maven project. Now click on next. So it will show you a new window like this. Okay. So the window name is here is new Maven project is a window name. So see guys, here it is having a three check boxes. One box already by default it is clicked. So now we need to click on this first checkbox, guys. We need to click on this first checkbox to create a Maven project. Why? Because if you do not select this checkbox, it will show you the default workspaces. Okay. If you do not click on this checkbox, it will show you the default workspaces. So we are going to create a new workspace. We don't want the old workspace. We are going to create a new workspace. If you do not select this checkbox, if you click on next, so it will show you some default workspaces. Just a minute, it is loading here. Here it will show you default workspaces. So actually we don't want the default workspaces, right? So we are going to create a new workspace. Okay. Just a minute, it will show you all the workspaces will be what are the workspaces presented in our device and all. It is taking time. Yeah, see guys. So it is showing the default workspaces like this. So we don't want all these default workspaces. We are going to create a new workspace. So just go back again. So we need to we need to click on this checkbox. Okay. So now click on next. So here it will show you the Maven project, like Maven project window. It will show you for us. So here it is asking us to enter the group ID and artifact ID, group ID and artifact ID. So what are the group ID you are giving? You can give the same as artifact ID also. Your group ID is nothing but your project name. Okay, your group ID is nothing but your project name. If suppose I am going to create one project related to RestAssured framework in Selenium. Okay, I am going to create a project related to RestAssured framework in Selenium. So here I am giving the name as RestAssured. RestAssured framework. Okay, so this is my group ID. So group ID I have given as RestAssured framework. The same artifact ID also I am giving as artifact ID also I am giving same RestAssured framework. So remaining all are optional. If you want you can give, or else you can leave like this. Remaining all are optional. So just click on finish. So if you click on finish, so see here my what I say my RestAssured project is created. So let us see the folders under this project. So this is our RestAssured framework project. Let us see the folders under this project. So here we are having the first folder is SRC main Java. The first one here is SRC main Java. Next one is SRC main resources. And third one is SRC test Java. Fourth one is SRC test resources. And JRE system libraries, we know already for the project the JRE system libraries will be added, and SRC folder, and this is a targeted new folder. And here we are having pom.xml. So previously in TestNG framework, we are generating our testng.xml file. But here, if you go for the Maven project, by default, it will generate automatically, the system will generate pom.xml file for us. Okay. So now let us see what are these folders. See here, SRC main Java and SRC main resources will be mostly used by the developers. Okay, this SRC main Java and SRC main resources will be mostly used by the developers. As the test engineer, we will use SRC test Java and SRC test resources only. So if you want to create a package, if you want to create a new package, you can go with SRC test Java. Here you can create a package. Okay, here you can create a package. So package name I am giving as, or suppose I am giving HTTP request and just click on finish. So now here in this package, I am giving a class name. Go to the class. So class name I am going to give as, so it's not responding. Just a minute, guys. Yeah. So class name here we can give, I am giving for now class name is under TC001. Just click on finish. So my class is created, right? My class is created here. So like this, here SRC test Java and SRC test resources will be used by the test engineers. Okay. So let us check what is pom.xml here. So this is our pom.xml file. We create a framework called as RestAssured framework, right? RestAssured framework. So this is our pom.xml file and this is our project name. So in this project, we need to add dependencies, guys. So always we need to add dependencies inside this pom.xml file. If you do not add these dependencies, our project will not be successful. Okay. So we need to add dependencies. So first, let us check what are the dependencies related to this REST assured framework. Okay. So first here I am going to add the dependencies. Always the dependency will be inside the dependencies. Always a dependency will be inside the dependencies. Okay. So this is the dependencies. So inside these dependencies, listen guys, try to understand the naming convention here. The hierarchy will be little bit confusing here. Inside the dependencies, see, always inside the project there will be a dependencies. Inside the dependencies there will be a dependency. Okay. So this is the dependencies we are given for our project. Now we need to add dependencies inside the project. Sorry, dependency inside the project. So from where we can get the dependency? So that is the main point. So we can get the dependencies from our repository. We can get the dependencies from our repository. So I will show you the two ways to get the dependencies. I will show you the two ways to get the dependencies. So first of all, go to the Google. Here we can type as MVN repository. MVN repository. So this is the main official website of Maven repository. So here we are having all the dependencies. So what kind of dependency you need? So that you can search here. REST assured dependency. So you can just click on enter. So it will show you this dependency, REST assured dependency. Okay. So just click on this. So here you can select the first version. So this is a dependency, Maven REST assured dependency. So like this is one way to check our dependency, and I will show you the another way also. Again, go to the Google Chrome. Here directly you can type REST assured. Directly you can give REST assured. So see, it will show you the main official website restassured.io. So just click on this REST assured. So it will show you the main page of REST assured. Here you are having, see guys, options: intro, news, release notes, docs, and hook. So just go for the docs in the sense documentation, guys. So here you can see getting started, the first option. Click on this getting started. Click on this getting started and just scroll down the page. See guys, here it will show you the dependencies. REST issue dependency. This is REST issue dependency, and this is a JSON path dependency. Here you can see JSON path, and this is a JSON path dependency, and XML path dependency. This is, and another one is JSON schema validation dependency, and Spring Mock MVC dependency, and Spring Web Test Client. Like this, we are having different, and Scala support, Catalin, Java 9. So like this, we are having different dependencies related to REST assured. So as a developer, as a tester, we need to test this. We are going to test this REST assured framework, right? So we need only some dependencies related for us. Okay, what are those dependencies here is, so I'll just copy one by one dependency and I'll paste in our pom.xml file. Look carefully, guys. So first dependency, I am going to copy this RestAssured. I just copy this. I'll show you how to paste this in our Eclipse also. Just paste it here. See, inside the dependencies there will be a dependency, right? So I'm going to add one more dependency also. I'm going to add another dependency, that is JSON path dependency. Just copy this and go for Eclipse. Guys, in very easy format I am explaining you guys, don't confuse here. Okay, so two dependencies we added for now. One is RestAssured and JSON path, and I'm going to take as XML path dependency. I'm going to copy this one also. Just copy this to the Eclipse. Just paste it here, and I'll take another dependency, that is JSON schema validation dependency. JSON schema validation. Yeah. So we need only, I have taken only 4 dependencies. One is RestAssured dependency, and another one is JSON path dependency. The next one is XML path, and the fourth one is JSON schema validation. So I have taken only these dependencies. So I need only these dependencies for my RestAssured framework to test that framework. So next, rest of this Spring Mock, MVC, and Spring Web Test Client and Scala support, these Catalin, these dependencies will be used by the developers, guys. Okay, these dependencies will be used by the developers. And always our REST assured framework will support the Java 9. Definitely, it will support the Java 9 dependency only. Okay, is it clear, guys? So this is how we need to create a Maven project, and this is how we need to generate, we need to create this pom.xml file, how we need to add the dependencies in pom.xml file. So that's all, guys. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.